press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the English class. Today I am going to teach you scene second of this lesson. What's the lesson name, dear children? Wealth and values. You come to know that first part, first scene of the lesson, right? Let's see second part of the lesson. In the first part we come to know that Mr. Balaji had two sons, that is Rahul and Gagan. They are totally different in their character, right? Gagan always used to help his father, so he was responsible boy, but Rahul, he's waste his time always. He is used to waste his time and he was irresponsible. He won't help his father in any work. Okay, so he was totally responsible. See, responsible opposite is irresponsible. Gagan always responsible boy, but here Rahul always irresponsible boy, right? So here in the first scene, what he did, Rahul, he took his share, right? He took his share in his property. He asked his father because he wanted to lead a independent life. He wanted to visit places all over the world with his friend. So that's why. So he argued his parent. So that's why his parent, it means his father also gave his share. So he took his share and he went to visit all over the world places. He visit places all over the world. So with his friends, he spent the money lavishly. He lead a luxurious life. So eventually, what happened? So he came to utter poverty line. So he lost everything. Understanding, dear children? He lost everything. After he lost everything, he searched his friend also left him. So he went to search his friends. No one there to help him. So on that time, he come to know the value of the relationship. Value of the father and his son and his brother. Understanding? Now he come to know that value. Next, what happened? He searched his friend, but no one is there to help him. And then he realized that even though his father's house enjoying better facilities, a servant also enjoying better facilities in my father's house. He come to know that and he realized that his servant in his father's house servant also leading better facilities life. So after he come to know that, so he realized the value of relationship and value of a father, and he came in front of his father. So he asked sorry. How he asked sorry? What happened in the scene 2? Let's see, dear children. So you have to open the page number 126, 126, 127, 126, 127. Look at the page number 127. Now he stand in front of his father in his palace, Balaji's palace. Rahul, father, I have made a mistake. I do not deserve to be called your son. Make me one of your servant. So what he is asking in front of his father, I am sorry, my dear father, what I did mistake. I am asking a sorry. So please make me one of the servant in your house. He is requesting like that. I do not deserve to be called your son. I am not deserve. So I have not deserved to be called your son. So make me one of your servant. Please make me one of your servant, Miss Alu. Understanding? So your father, oh my beloved son, I am so happy to see you back home. Forgot what has happened and begin life afresh. So as a father, so he forgot everything and he told to his son also. So what happened? So what did was happen? So you forgot everything. Now you have to refresh your. Now you have to afresh your life. So we forgot what happened early days. Mr. Balaji calls his servant. What he did, he is told his son like that, and he called the servants. Who? Balaji called the servants. Mr. Balaji, bring Rahul the best clothes you can buy. Decorate his finger with a ring and get good shoes for his feet. Make a delicious meal and let's celebrate his return. So he ordered the servants that. Who ordered the servants? Mr. Balaji ordered the servants. Bring a good clothes to my child. Who is the child here? Who is son? Rahul. Because so he came back, right? That's why he is ordered to that servants, please bring a best cloth to my son, decorate his finger with a ring and good shoes, make a delicious meal. Delicious means good, tasty meal. And let's celebrate his return. Let's celebrate, let's enjoy, let's take a held a party to his return. That's why. Why he told like that to servant, dear children? Because his son came back. That's why. Servant leave the room. So listening all this his Balaji's words, he left the room. Rahul falls at his father's feet. Father, I am sorry, please forgive my foolish behavior. I have realized that money alone cannot bring satisfaction and happiness. Really, this is a good sentence, dear children. So, seeing the happiness of his father, what he did, Rahul? He fell down in his father's feet. I am sorry. So, he is asking apology and he is tell that I am sorry, please forgive my foolish behavior. I did what I did early days. It was totally foolish behavior, dear father. Please forgive this my foolish behavior. I am really very sorry. He is requesting to the father. I have realized that money alone cannot bring satisfaction and happiness. So money alone, it is not give us a satisfaction and happiness to us. Relationship is very important. Respect is very important, dear children. Understanding? So money is not everything to us. Right? We have to think about this. So really he come to know that value of a relationship now. Mr. Balaji breaks down. So Mr. Balaji seeing his son falls down his feet. So he breaks down and stop, my son. All I can do is that thank God for sending you back. So what is Balaji replying that, my son, all I can do is thank God for sending you back. So always I used to pray God. So what I asked God, what I pray God, you know. So yours return is very important to me. So now you realize your mistake. Now you come to know what your mistake, what you did your mistake. So now you come to know that. Now you realize it's enough to me. He told that. So now Mr. Balaji breaks down. So next, at this moment, Gagan comes home. He noticed music and dancing. So maybe he went to somewhere, Gagan. So in this moment, he came. So what he noticed, do you know? Music and dancing. He noticed that. So let's check your understanding, dear children. Why did Rahul feel the need of money again? Because he became poor, because he had spent money lavishly and he visiting many places all over the world. That's why Rahul was reminded for his dash when he thought of his comfortable life before he left home. So he reminded his father, right? Okay. What was the decision taken by Rahul? He understood that money alone cannot bring satisfaction and happiness. He realized. So he decided to come and live with his father. Right? Okay. Page number 128. Gagan, what's happening? You are all happy, enjoying yourselves. So he don't know about this. So he is asking the question to the servant, what's happening? Why are you all happy, enjoying? Why the dancing or music is going on? Servant, your brother Rahul has come back and your father is celebrating his return. So one of the servant replying that to Gagan, your brother, his brother is Rahul, right? So he is come back. So for his comeback, your father, Mr. Balaji, what he did, you know, he is celebrating his return. Celebrating. Gagan gets angry and does not go in. Mr. Balaji comes out. He was very angry. He is not go in, and seeing his son Gagan, Mr. Balaji comes out. Mr. Balaji, Gagan, come in. Rahul has come home. Come, let's enjoy the feast. Feast means a large meal, delicious meal. Understanding? Gagan, come in. So, Mr. Balaji asking to Gagan, please come in, Gagan. Rahul comes home, come home. Come, let's we enjoy the feast. Let's we enjoy feast with us. Gagan, angrily, Dad, all these years I have served you and obeyed you, but you did not hold a feast for me with my friends, and now? So he is very angry and he told that to his father, dear father, so always in these years I obeyed you. What you used to give a work, I will do that work. I will did that work. So I completed that work. Always I was a responsible son of yours. Now why you are not giving one of the party to me? It means he is very angry and he told that all these years I have served and obeyed you. All these years I used to serve you and used to obey you, but now, so you did not hold a feast for me. So one feast you did not hold for me. Why you are holding to feast or grand party to my brother? Because even though he was irresponsible for it, why you did like that? He is asking the question and he was very angry. Who? Yes, Gagan. Check your understanding. Rahul's father welcomed him happily, angrily, happily, sadly, happily. Who was angry with Rahul's father, dear children? Gagan. Gagan was angry with Rahul's father. What was the reason of his angry? Reason was because his father not arranged any feast for him, right? Because his father not arranged any feast for him. That's why he was angry and he is not want to come in the house, right? Lost lines, lost paragraph. Mr. Balaji, son, you are always with me and all that I have in yours. But your brother was lost and has come back to us. I have never missed you any time. Shouldn't we forgive your brothers as he has realized his mistakes? The error is human, to forgive is divine. Yes, they say, and that is how I feel. So now Gagan, Mr. Balaji explaining to his son means to Gagan, what is that? Son, you were always with me. You always with me, my child, and all what I have, it always yours. All what I have, it always yours. But your brother was lost and has come back to us. But your brother Rahul, he lost everything. Now he come back to us. To us means Balaji and Gagan. Understanding? He come with us. So I have never missed you any time. I have never missed you any time because you always obeyed me. You are full of responsible boy. So I have never missed you any time, dear child. Shouldn't we forgive your brother as he realized his mistakes? So what is our duty, dear son? He realized his mistakes. He come to know that what he did, his mistakes. He come to know that. Now what our duty? He realized that mistake. So what we have to do? We have to forgive that. We have to forgive that. So, to err is human, to forgive is divine. Beautiful word this is. Beautiful saying. It's actually true. Error is human. Obviously, dear children. So, human nature this is. We used to do mistakes, right? So, God is there to forgive us. So, what is our duty? If someone do mistake, they realize that and they ask sorry to us. They come to know that what they did mistakes and they realize their mistakes means what is our duty, dear children? We have to forgive that. We have to forgive that, right? So, saying that divine means God, right? It is human nature to make a mistake. It is human nature to make a mistake. Oneself while what is our duty? We have to forgive that. We have to forgive that. So really, to err is human, to forgive is divine. They say, and that is how I feel. So I am feeling like that, dear son. So he realized his mistakes. Now he come back to us. Shall we forgive his mistake? He is asking to Gagan. Yes, Gagan. Think for a while. What he did? Think for a while. He sees joy and happiness of his father's face. So now, seeing his happiness in his father's face, Gagan think a while and he told that which was not earlier in Rahul's absence. While Rahul was absent, he was not happy. Who? Mr. Balaji was not happy. He was always sad. And he noticed all these things. Who? Gagan noticed. So seeing a happiness and joy in his father's face, he controls his anger. What he did, he controls his anger. Anger means kopa. Yes, father, I see joy in your face. He told that, yes, father, I see joy in your face. Now, I understand the importance of forgiveness. I understood that. In forgiveness, there is happiness and peace. Really, in forgiveness, there is happiness and peace. In forgiveness, there is happiness and peace. He come to know that. I understand what you say. Brother, welcome back to home. See, I understand, dear father, what you told. So, in forgiveness, there is happiness and peace. So, money is not everything to us. We have to come to know the value of our life, value of the relationship, value of give respect to the elders, teachers, right, like that. So, we have to think all these, dear children. I hope you understood both the scene of this lesson, wealth and values. You come to know that? Wealth and values. Let's see, check your understanding. What do we find in forgiveness? We find in forgiveness, that is happiness and peace. Peace and happiness, right? Okay. Page number 129, you have to open the page number 129. Fill the blanks with the words given in brackets. Foolish, realized, forgiveness, eventually, desperately, embraced, gives. Rahul dash turned into a poor man, eventually. Second one, he dashed that even the servants enjoyed better facilities. He realized that even the servants enjoy better facilities. He wandered about the dash to find a job. Desperately, father dashed him joyfully and took him home. Embraced. Rahul felt sorry for his foolish behavior. Foolish, you have to write. Fill the blanks, dear children. In dash, there is happiness and joy. In forgiveness, there is happiness and joy, happiness and peace. Right? Okay. Write opposites of the words underlined. One is done for you. Rahul was happy, but his father was unhappy. Right? His father was rich, but Rahul became a dash man, poor man. Rich, poor. Happy, unhappy. Rahul was lost, but he is now found. Lost, found. Father gives the property which Rahul takes. Gives, takes. All his friends became his enemies. Friends, enemies. Pick out the hidden words from the following words. Pick out the hidden words from the following. One is done for you. Businessmen. Bus, sin, men, in. So, all these hidden words is given here. Expression, express, press, on. Always, way. W-A-Y, A-L-L, all. Share, A-R-E, or H-A-R-E, hair. Away, way. W-A-Y. Embrace, race, R-A-C-E, race. So like that, you have to identify the hidden words of that word. You have to write on those blanks, dear children. Enjoy, joy, J-O-Y. Independent, depend. End, E-N-D, end. I-N, in. P-E-N, pen. You have to observe the hidden words. You have to write on those blanks, dear children. Understanding? So answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. Why did Rahul want his share of the property? You already know that he want to visit the different places all over the world with his friends, and he want to lead a independent life. That's why he want his share. How did Rahul spend his money in his friends? So lavishly, he lead a luxurious life, right? What did Mr. Balaji tell his servant to do when Rahul returned home? He ordered to the servants to take a best clothes, to decorate his finger with a ring, good shoes, and told a servant to arrange a feast. Right? What made Gagan talk angrily to his father? Why? So Gagan talked angrily to his father because his father not arrange any feast to him. That's why he was like. How did Mr. Balaji explain the situation to Gagan? He told Gagan that he lived always with him and he never missed him. Right? So we have to forgive him because he realized his mistakes. So Mr. Balaji told his son Gagan. Discuss this question with your partner. Do you think Rahul's father was right in welcoming him with pleasure? Yes, I think it is right because he realized his mistake. It is our duty, we have to forgive, right? Okay. Speak about the importance of forgiveness. Forgiveness brings a happiness and peace. I told you, forgiveness brings us a happiness and peace. So we have to forgive. If anyone say apology, ask apology to us, means we have to forgive that one. In your opinion, how important is money? So no doubt money is important, but not at the cost of values. We should never think that money is everything. So money is not everything, dear children. So we have to think about that. Money is not everything. So forgiveness, we have to forgive the mistakes while someone asks apology to us. We have to forgive that one. Money is not everything. So we come to know that in this lesson, money is not everything, right? So what's the value of our life, of our relationship, right? So we come to know that. So Rahul realized his mistakes. He come to know the value of a father and brother. So after he come to know that, he came near with them, right? Now they are leading happy life. So in the end, so whole lesson completed, dear children. I hope you understood better. So rest of the grammar part I will continue. You have to read once lesson, so you have to underline the difficult words meaning. If you meanings, glossary words also given there, you have to underline those difficult words meaning. You have to search in dictionary, in textbook, glossary words also given there. So in the next class, the rest of the grammar part I will continue in next class. Until that, take care. Thank you.